exposing the depreciation of these 6 luxury cars. Ever fantasized about gliding down the boulevard in a head-turning luxury chariot, the wind whipping through your hair as envious glances follow your trail? Yeah, we've all been there. But before you trade in your sensible sedan for a roaring beast with a price tag that could bankrupt a small nation, let's talk about the silent assassin of your automotive dreams, depreciation. Think of it like the evil twin of that intoxicating new car smell. It lurks in the shadows, waiting to pounce and transform your prized possession into a used car bargain bin special. But fear not, fellow thrill seekers. Today at Car Computer Exchange, we're here to be your depreciation detectives, pulling back the curtain on the worst offenders in the luxury car world. It's time to separate the financial flames from the investment icons. But fear not, fellow thrill seekers. Today, at Car Computer Exchange, we're pulling back the curtain on the worst depreciating luxury cars. It's time to separate the financial flames from the investment icons. So grab your metaphorical champagne flute, because you might need it later, and buckle up. We're about to expose the truth about these 6 beauties, and it might just save you a small fortune and a future headache. Remember, knowledge is power, and when it comes to car buying, knowing the depreciation demons can empower you to make smart, savvy choices. So let's dive in and spill the tea on these luxury car depreciation disasters. Before we start naming names, let's understand the invisible forces pulling the value of your dream car down faster than a clown car sinking in quicksand. 1. Cutting edge. Tech, a double-edged sword. Luxury cars love to boast about their cutting-edge technology, but here's the catch. That fancy stuff can be complex and expensive to fix. Imagine your car's infotainment system turning into a glitchy disco ball just a few years down the line. Not a pretty picture, is it? And those hefty repair bills? They'll make your wallet weep. 2. The lease flood. Ever wonder where all those seemingly brand new luxury cars end up after their lease periods? They hit the market in droves, creating a glut of used luxury vehicles. This oversupply drives down prices, making your once prized possession feel more like a dime a dozen deal. 3. Reliability reputations. The ghost of repairs past. Some luxury brands have a not-so-stellar reputation for reliability. If your car spends more time at the mechanic than on the road, guess what? Its value takes a nosedive faster than a skydiver without a parachute. The cars, too, maybe, steer clear of now. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty and expose the depreciation demons lurking within specific models. Remember, this isn't about hating on any particular car, but rather empowering you to make informed choices. The BMW 7 Series. Luxury on a fast depreciating slope. Imagine a car that boasts top-notch features, a hefty price tag, and a depreciation rate that would make even Scrooge McDuck flinch. That's the BMW 7 Series. While it's undeniably luxurious, its complex technology, limited used market appeal, and hefty repair costs can make it a financial nightmare down the road. The BMW 7 Series may be a dream car for many, but its high depreciation rate can quickly turn that dream into a financial burden. Its advanced technology and limited demand in the used car market contribute to its steep decline in value over time. Additionally, the cost of repairs for this luxury vehicle can be exorbitant, adding to the potential nightmare for owners. The Mercedes-Benz S-Class, a similar story, different badge. Sharing many of the same characteristics as the 7 Series, the Mercedes-Benz S-Class also suffers from high repair costs, lease-driven oversupply, and a reputation for less than stellar reliability. So, while it might turn heads, be prepared for its value to do the same, but in the opposite direction. Owners of the Mercedes-Benz S-Class may find themselves facing a similar fate as those with the BMW 7 Series. The high repair costs and oversupply in the market contribute to its depreciation, making it a potential nightmare for owners who are looking to retain its value. The BMW 6 Series, the beauty that loses its shine. Quickly, coupes are known for their stylish appeal, but not always for their resale value. The BMW 6 Series is a prime example. Its limited practicality, combined with the usual suspects of expensive maintenance and a smaller used market, can lead to significant depreciation. So, unless you're prepared to treat it as a purely emotional purchase, be aware of the financial implications. All right, depreciation detectives. Halfway through this expose, and we've seen some luxury cars lose value faster than a meme after a copyright strike. But have you lost yours? Still clinging to the dream of owning a financial white elephant? Let's hear it in the comments. Are you with us on this depreciation deep dive, or are you already daydreaming about a used Toyota Camry and financial stability? Sound off below. Jaguar XJL. The beauty with the depreciation bite picture. This you roll up in a sleek, luxurious Jaguar XJL, its long wheelbase stretching out like a runway for elegance. Heads turn, jaws drop. It's the epitome of British refinement. But hold on to your monocle, because this feline's purr comes with a hefty price tag and an even heftier depreciation rate. We're talking a whopping 77%. Leases flood the market, and reliability concerns linger like a stubborn house guest. So, while the XJL might be a head-turner, its value retention makes it more of a head-scratcher for budget-conscious buyers. BMW 5 Series. Not your typical millennial magnet. The BMW 5 Series packs a punch of luxury and performance, but when it comes to depreciation, it throws more of a right hook to your wallet. Sharing some of the same complex technology as its bigger brother, the 6 Series, repairs can cost a pretty penny. Plus, its appeal leans more towards the established executive side than the young and trendy crowd. So while it might be a solid performer, its depreciation curve could leave you feeling like you just invested in a participation trophy. Mercedes-Benz E-Class. Improved reliability, uncertain future value. The Mercedes-Benz E-Class deserves some credit for upping its reliability game in recent years. However, when it comes to depreciation, past reputations die hard. Despite its improvements, the E-Class still suffers from the lingering shadow of earlier models and retains only around 33% of its value after 5 years. So, while it might be a more reliable option than some on this list, its resale value might leave you feeling like you bought a brand new phone just before the latest model dropped. Remember, this isn't about bashing specific cars. It's about empowering you with knowledge so you can make informed decisions. After all, falling in love with a car is easy, but falling in love with its depreciation curve, not so much. So there you have it, folks. A whirlwind tour of luxury cars and their sometimes tragic depreciation tales. Remember, while these beauties might steal your heart, their value retention could leave it feeling more like a borrowed library book. But fear not, car enthusiasts. We haven't left you stranded on this financial highway. So, if you want to navigate the world of high-end cars without ending up upside down, financially that is, then smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. After all, knowledge is power, and at Car Computer Exchange, we're here to empower you to make informed decisions and drive away in your dream car without the financial nightmare in tow. Plus, who knows? We might even throw in some bloopers and behind-the-scenes fun for our loyal subscribers. So what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button and join the Car Computer Exchange family, where car knowledge and entertainment go hand in hand, or should we say tire and tire.